Lots of times I like to play duets with my students. This is Kelly Benedict.
Hello.
And in so doing, I really find where they are in their time. I find out things about their reading. I find things about their intonation tendencies, all these things. And also, I just really like playing with my students. How else are they going to hear the saxophone if they don't hear it from me? You might hear it on a recording, but I have no idea who they're listening to. So I really want to make sure I perform with my students. And it's just a great way to break up a lesson and a fun way to get them to perform. So I do a lot of duets. I use these Rubank books. This is the beginner one, and there's an advanced one, and they're all great. I really recommend them. So go get a saxophone and play a duet. You want to repeat?
Yep. Yeah, repeat.
Okay, let's do it from the top again. Here's some Corelli. Breathe on 3. 1, 2. Are you playing B flat?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
We're in the key of F.
Yep.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Breathe on 3. 1, 2. We'll start right there at the repeat.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Breathe on 3. 1, 2. Don't worry about the trills.
Yeah.
They're pulling you off time. Don't play the trills, okay? Let's start right on this repeat right here.
Okay.
1, 2. I'm slowing this down.
Yeah.
1, 2. Can we do that part again?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2. Awesome.
Yeah.